Hey everybody, it's Kathy here at Terrace Honda. I hope you're all surviving the time change here this weekend and Halloween week last week, and you're all off to a good start here on a Monday morning. Quick question here. I'm going to answer for some of you that have it quite a lot. There's quite a large number of people that wonder what your brake hold feature is for on your new Hondas, because it's on all of them now. And it's usually situated right beside your emergency brake, which is also a push button feature. And most of you have figured that out, but I'm going to just go over the brake hold feature here because it's a pretty cool one, especially if you do a lot of driving and commuting, and especially downtown. So I'm going to switch thing around here. So your parking brake obviously is just a push or pull feature. Think of it like the old handles. You would pull it to set it and you would push it to release it, and it will prompt you, like when you pull it, right, you're going to get the little light down here in the corner that shows you it's on, and when you go to release it and you push, you will be prompted to make sure and step on your brake to actually make sure that it releases. See, and there it's off. So you have to step on the brake first. It's a safety feature, right? So that the dog can't accidentally release it or whatever, right? But your brake hold feature is a really neat one. And what that's for is when you're doing a lot of commuting and driving or just around downtown. And when you set that, it will automatically hold your vehicle when you come to a stop until you step on the gas again, without you having to put it into park and then back and into drive and so on. Now what happens is there's some safety features, like if you just go to do this, push it, you have to have certain safety features on. You have to have your seatbelt on, for example, and once you do that, it will give you a little light in the corner just to remind you that that is on. And for the remainder of that trip, you can just leave it on until you shut your vehicle off. Every time you come to a stop, it will just hold your vehicle. You can rest your foot off the brake and it will hold it there until you step on the gas. Now, the one thing to know about this, particularly if you're doing a lot of city driving, I can see where this might be a thing. You're held up because of accidents or whatever, maybe in places like Vancouver or the Okanagan. If you are stopped for more than, I believe it's 8 or 9 minutes, your Honda will automatically put the e-brake on because it's for an extended period. And so then when you go to start, you actually need to release the emergency brake. So just one of those little things to know. I hope that helps and it helps you use your Honda better. And of course, you're always welcome to, contact me if you have more questions. I'm here to help you out. You have a good day and a good week. Bye for now.